Sawa ka na ba ang puro sahod lang at laging kulang? Maybe it's time to make your money work with you, not just for you. Lagi ka bang kapos kahit kakatanggap mo pa lang ng sweldo? Pagod ka na ba sa 9 to 5? Pero wala kang choice kasi may bills na naghihintay? Or maybe ikaw yung housewife, working student, o small business owner na gusto lang naman ng extra kita kahit nasa bahay ka lang? Good news! Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking puhunan. Walang hassle, walang komplikado. With just one SIM, pwede ka nang mag-load sa lahat ng networks. Globe, Smart, TNT, TM, or dito, pati utilities. Kaya mong ibenta. Sa TPC e-loading business, pwede kang kumita habang nagtatrabaho ka, habang nasa bahay, or kahit habang natutulog ka pa. Wow! It's perfect for anyone who wants extra income. Empleyado, housewife, estudyante, or small business owner, kahit sino, basta may pangarap. Low risk, legit, and tested na ng libo-libong Pinoy. Kaya kung ready ka na to hustle smarter, not harder, send me a message today. Let's get you started.